Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to reset your Truist Bank online banking password. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Truist Bank. So here it is. Now click on this first website over here. Now we get this tab open over here. Now simply enter your user ID. And if you want your user ID to be saved, simply click mark over here. And if you have forgotten your user ID, you can reset it from here, forgot user ID. And since we need to reset our password here, simply click on reset password. Now we need to enter the email address associated with our account. Now enter the 5 digits, that is last 5 digits of your social security number. Now enter a user ID. Once you are done, simply click on continue. After which, we'll get an email to reset our password in our email address. After which, we can simply reset our password, and using the new password, we can log in to Truist Bank interface. So this is all we can do to reset our password on Truist Bank online banking. This is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.